Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research and another video related to covering letter. I have received a request like how to draft a covering letter, and if it would be nice if I can show you some sample about covering letter. So stay tuned with me and watch this video till end, because I am going to show you my experience and how I drafted my covering letter and got a new opportunity. So before going, let's start like what is the covering letter. Covering letter is a simple short application of your CV. It is not your CV, so don't make covering letter for within more than one page. So it must be one page and it must clear the objective, what it is meant for as a covering letter. Okay. So the second important thing you must remember is you must always attach covering letter along with your CV unless and until the advertisement says not to attach the covering letter. Sometimes the company or advertisements, the job advertisement doesn't feel the need of covering letter, so they mention it clearly. But unless and until this is not the case, I do recommend everyone to attach covering letter with your CV every time you are applying for a position. The 5 important things that you must consider while drafting a covering letter. The first one, it goes as introduce yourself. In this, you must take 1 or 2 lines to introduce yourself and which position you are applying for. You must address and which position you are applying for. It could be like giving an introduction about yourself, then giving an introduction for the job that you are looking for or applying for, and then what is the designation that you are applying for. The next point, mention your skills and experience that would be qualified for the particular job position you are applying. Then the next important thing is encourage reader to read your resume. So you must mention somewhere between the covering letter, like you can find the more details in a resume attached or in a CV attached. Then finally conclude with a simple polite words, giving more attention and show that you are so much enthusiastic and energetic to join the job, as it is very much matching to your profile. So it would create an interest within the reader to go back to your CV and see what are the skills or competencies that you have in your particular profile section. Now, as I promised, I'm going to show you my covering letter. So how I drafted, what are the paragraph or summary it has been taken forward or considered while drafting a strong covering letter. And believe me, if you will follow this pattern, definitely you will get and land up in a place where you're looking to match your skills and competencies. So let's go to my screen and see the sample of the covering letter. So this is my covering letter, the PDF file of covering letter. As you can see, I tried to mention my name, number, email address and date to the leftmost corner of this letter, and then to the rightmost corner, and then here it mentions about to whom you are drafting the letter. So here, for example, Trustpilot Denmark, I am trying to apply to this company, this job advertisement. Then you must write it opening with an dear, and then you must express here the position for which you are applying for. Then in the following paragraph, you must explain your skills and competencies, why it is matching to this particular position. What are the key points that you would address that matches to this particular position. Then mention about what are the academic qualifications, what you have done, in short, what is your what you have done previously. It's a very short form of CV. As I mentioned, it is very short form of your resume. You just have to mention the key points. And then lastly, you must explain about like why this job is important, how you're going to progress, and how it would be helpful for you to achieve more competencies or skill in your professional area. And lastly, mention a thank you, and don't forget to write down your name again in the closing statement. So in this way, you can draft a 1-page covering letter as I mentioned, with the points that we have discussed in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.